Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided I would film it vlog style and I would do a room slash beauty room tour because my beauty room is in the same room as my bedroom. Also, my shirt, Jurassic Park. I love Jurassic Park. So I'm not going to make this intro too long because I feel like there's not really much to say. So if you haven't already, please make sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and let's just hop right into my room tour. Okay, so when you walk into my room, to the right here, we have my closet. And to the left, we have my room and my beauty rooms. I'm going to start out first with my closet. So looking at my closet, there's not really much to it, but just like a walk-in closet, ignore that pile of clothes. I'm doing a haul soon, so that's what that is. And in my closet, I actually just put a bookshelf in here, and so I just store more clothes on there because I didn't have enough storage. I love this hat. It says, "Gym hair, don't care." And so, yeah, it's not that exciting. I hang my robes right here. But yeah, it's not that exciting, but that is my closet. On either side of my closet, I keep two pictures. The first one says, "You got this." I love this saying. I literally write it everywhere. "You got this" as like motivation. So when I saw this, I had to have it. I got this from Hobby Lobby. And on this side, my mom got this for me because this is our song by Rascal Flatts, "My Wish." So I just keep that there on that side of my closet. Now, turning around to my room. This is my bed. So my duvet cover, or my comforter, is from Urban Outfitters. I just got this actually like 2 days ago. I really like it though because it's like a heather gray. So it's like a t-shirt material. And then this blanket is from, I think, Restoration Hardware or Crate and Barrel. One of those like fancy furniture places. I love this pillow. This I got from Pottery Barn, I believe, and this over here is Biggie. So his name is Biggie Smalls because he has a big head and small arms. So he's a T-Rex. Devin got me him for, I think it was our first Valentine's Day, because obviously I love dinosaurs, so I just keep him on my bed there and he just chills there. These two big pillows, this white one and this gray one, are both from IKEA. Now at the end of my bed, I have this little like 6-cube thing from Target. Let me move my phone, it's bothering me. But I have this like 6-cube organizer from Target, and on top of it, I have a like vision board that I made. I just use it kind of as like motivation. I really love this. It sits directly at the end of my bed, so that way when I wake up, I can see it every single morning. It was really inexpensive. It cost me like $5 to make, so I really love this. This is one of my favorite parts about my room. I love like little motivational and positive quotes like all around my apartment. So that one's funny. So along the top here, I'll start with the top. On this side, I have this is my jewelry organizer I actually got from Amazon. I really like this. It hangs all my stuff. I keep my studs right here, all my little rings and bracelets and a watch. I have my high key, or not my high keys, these are my Key and Desi Sahara glasses. And I have an aromatherapy stress relief candle from Bath & Body Works. Over here I have my laptop I keep in a Kate Spade case, and this little camera holder is from 31. I think it's so cute. Keep my Polaroid camera in here, and I also keep my vlog camera, but I'm using that to film right now, but when I don't use it, I put it in there. And I just have 2 books that I really like right there. These cubes I actually got from Walmart because they're $5 at Walmart and they're like 10 or 13 at Target. So these are from Walmart, and I just keep some clothes in here. Since I don't have a lot of like clothes storage, I keep clothes in here. Then down here I have a pair of black Doc Martens. Right here I have a pair of Steve Madden shoes that I got from DSW for like $30. So that's nice. And then I have 2 camera cases that I store right down here with all my camera stuff in it. So this is one of my favorite parts of my room. To the right of that, I have my fan, which I think is from Target. and a printer. I have no clue where to put this printer, so it just chills there. Moving on to my filming setup, I'm gonna start with my background first. This is what you guys see in the back when I film my makeup tutorials and stuff. So first, these firefly lights, I think that's what they're called. I think they're from Target, I want to say. I don't know, but I know they have my Urban Outfitters and stuff. And then I just keep really cute Polaroid pictures that I love to look at every single day up here. And I always put the dates on all of them. Look how young we look. That was Devin and I. And that was New Year's 2014. So I really like that in my background. I just love this hanging in my room. Ooh, ow, I just ran into my other desk. So this is my desk. I'm gonna start with the right side first over here. This little plant is from HomeGoods, and I really think it's so cute. I love like the little marble jar or whatever, not jar, pot holder that it's in. And I have this Urban Decay Born to Run. This is the box to the palette because I actually use the palette. So this is just the box, and I have this little Sephora bag that sits on a little Beauty Insider box. And this, I forgot to take out. That is my camera cord. I have this mouse pad, which I actually hate, but this is from Amazon. It's only a few dollars on Amazon. I have my Mac computer that I do all my schoolwork on and all my editing. And over here, I have my little Kaylanxo letterboard. This is from Target. I got this little Create jar from TJ Maxx, and I just put some random brushes that I don't really use in there. And this little lipstick holder is from the Container Store, and then I just keep a lot of nude lipsticks back there. My entire desk is from IKEA. I have the 2 Alex drawers and then like the LINNMON tabletop. And this chair is from Office Depot or Office Max, like one of those Staples, one of those types of stores. On this side of my desk, I have this little dog bed. Well, it's not little, it's big, but it's shoved in here. This is Maya's dog bed. It's from HomeGoods, and then that pillow, the little paw print pillow, is also from HomeGoods. She loves to shove herself in small spaces, so she likes to curl up in a ball and look out the window. So this is her little area in my room, and she loves it over here. Now for my filming setup, this is what you guys don't see. This is where I film. So this is my desk. My desk is from Office Depot, I believe, and my chair is from IKEA. So I'm gonna go through everything I have on here, and then I'll go through my lighting and stuff. So starting from the right, these are all of my makeup brushes. Hello. These are all of my makeup brushes, and I got these little holders from HomeGoods. So there's actually 2 of them, and so that's where I store my makeup brushes. I have this little container from Hobby Lobby with my beauty blenders in it, and I have, this is a Fashion Nova coupon, and this is actually, I put all my brushes that I think I'm gonna use for like a video in here, and then I just set it right there when I film, so that way I'm not digging through all of these. This is the mirror that I use every day when I get ready. Hello again. This is the Impressions vanity mirror, so it actually lights up. But yeah, it gives really good lighting, so it's really nice for every day. It is kind of expensive because it is also Bluetooth speaker, so you can actually listen to music while you get ready, which is cool. So I love that. This little mirror over here I use when I film my videos just because it's a lot shorter so you don't see it in the frame. So that's what I use. I got this from TJ Maxx for like $10. That's what I use when I actually film tutorials. Over here, that is not supposed to be there. It's a tripod. Over here I have my monitor. It's like a TV, and I connect my camera to it so that way I can see myself when I film. So this is an Insignia TV that I just got from Best Buy. I have my Jaclyn Hill palettes over here because I'm going to film a video with them. I got 3 of them, so I'm so excited. And if you guys didn't know, I used to have a horse. Her name was Reba, and so I got my senior pictures done with her, and so I just keep this on my little table. That's one of the pictures, and then this is another one. So I just clip these in here. It's actually crooked. Oh, let me fix that real quick. Pause. So yes, I just keep that right there just while I get ready because I miss her so much and it just makes me smile, and so I love keeping that there. Moving on to my lighting and my camera. So this is the ring light that I use. This is the Diva ring light. It's the Supernova one. I believe it's called the DVE store, I think, online. And so yeah, there's a Nova one and a Supernova. This one's a Supernova. And this is really nice how it bends because I can just like bend it over. This is the camera that I use. It's the Sony a6000, and I also have a Sony mic on top of that. And it sits on an Amazon tripod. I'll come around. And this is actually a really nice tripod. I just got it recently. This is nice because you can have like a lot of control. It's really sturdy, like it doesn't budge really. And it is from Amazon, and it was not that expensive. It even says Amazon Basics on it. So I really like this tripod. So if you're looking for a new tripod, I really recommend this one. Now on either side, I always use like box lamps. So I got these ones off of Amazon. These are like the Limo Studio ones. These were $60, I believe, for the both of them, not each. For two of them, it was $60, which is really inexpensive if you ask me. They add a lot of lighting, so these are really nice. I just keep them stored in that corner. So yeah, that's my filming setup. I really love the way that I have it. I love my lighting. I only use those two box lamps and the ring light, no natural light, and that gives me plenty of light. So especially these box lamps, if you're looking to start a channel, I highly recommend these, or soft boxes, whatever you call them. I highly recommend these because they're really inexpensive and they make a huge difference in the quality of your videos. So yeah, that's my entire room slash beauty room. Let me know if you'd like a makeup collection or something. I'd love to do one of those. And I think that's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!